guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Arushi and today we're gonna do a Pink Friday sale haul, and it is 50% off on Nykaa, and I got few products for myself. It has both skincare and cosmetic products, so stay tuned if you want to know what I get. And at the end of the video I'm gonna recommend you what you should get your hands on. And if you are new to this channel, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button, red like this, and press that bell icon so you get notifications every time I put a video. And if you like this video, give a big thumbs up. This time I really want to try some affordable products, so I have never tried anything from the Nivea range, Nivea company or range, I don't know. So I got this Nivea soft moisturizer for myself, and it is a decent moisturizer. I have been using from 5 to 6 days, and it gives you the moisturization, and I think it retails for 160, and on sale I got some discount, and I'm gonna pop up in the screen how much I paid for this. And this is a good moisturizer, decent moisturizer. If you think it's gonna give your skin moisture for 24 hours, then that's not true, baby. It's gonna give moisturizer for 4 to 6 hours, then you have to reapply this. But the amount of product it has is like, oh my god. When I opened this, I was like, gir na jayegi. Itna sara product, oh my god. And it is very affordable, so I think that paying so much for moisturizer is not good, because it just gives you moisture to your skin, right? If any product in less amount is giving moisture to you, then why to spend so much in? If you want to try another moisturizer, I have recommendation for you. By the way, this is not the part of haul, it's my personal recommendation. So this is from this Mama Earth. I have Suck It All. There is no product, guys. I was in love with this moisturizer. This was for, I don't know, 300 or something. This is oil-free face moisturizer, and it has apple cider vinegar, which is good for the skin, and this is for acne prone skin. It is a good moisturizer. If you want to try it, then you should give a shot. Second product I got from Nykaa is this neem purifying face wash from VLCC, and the price, I don't remember price of all the things, guys, so I'm gonna give it on screen, both the sale price and the MRP. And the product says it is high efficacy that remove acne causing bacteria and acts as a skin conditioner. That I don't think so, but it is a good face wash. It does what it is meant to be. It cleans your face really nicely, and it gives you that cooling sensation, which I like, and it is good product. It is paraben free, and it is synthetic colorant free, and good for your skin. This product I have received from Nykaa, and I haven't ordered this. I have ordered Biotic Visibly Flawless Skin Scrub, and they have sent me this face wash. And guys, face scrub, I have been using that since a long time, and I think that is very good scrub. If you want a daily scrub on daily basis, then that is, though you should not do that, but it is very mild and gentle to your skin, and it is not that hard scrub that like rub your skin. It is a gentle scrub, and it's a good product, and I'm gonna order that and return this product. So another skincare product I got it from Nykaa is this Vadi Herbal Lip Balm, and it is in the strawberry flavor, and it says Ultra Moisture Lock. It retails for 40 rupees, and key ingredients, let me read the key ingredients. It says it has steam distilled strawberry extract, vitamin E, organic honey, soy oil, and pure almond oil. Okay, so I'm gonna say something about this product. If you want a lip balm, then get hand on this, guys. It is the best lip balm I have ever used, and for its price, like, you should get this. You don't trust me? I'm gonna show you this. See, it's a big tub and I have already used this much, like it's almost finished, and this is 6 gram and this is 10 gram. Mistakenly I have ordered this one because this is for 40 rupees and this is for 45 rupees, so just for 5 rupees you are getting 4 gram extra product. So I think you should order the bigger one, which is for 45 rupees, and it is always on sale. You get it on like 35 to 38 rupees, so get this. You gonna love this. If you're thinking this gonna moisturize your lips for 24 hours, 12 hours, no, it's not gonna do that, but it's gonna moisturize your lips for 2 to 3 hours, and it's a good product. Like, it is a good product for what you pay. Guys, either it is summer or winter, you should never skip on sunblock or sunscreen. So I got my hand on this. This is Neutrogena Dry Touch Sunblock. It says it has SPF of 50++, and I think this is a good product. It doesn't make your skin that greasy and like oily. I have used couple of products and they make my skin really greasy, and like I don't want to use that product again, and this is not like that. It is very good product, and I remember this price because I was watching this product from a while, and I got it for 30 ml. For 30 ml this retails for 199 rupees, and on sale I got it for 159 rupees. And it is, guys, paraben free and it is oil free, and it is, most importantly, it is non-comedogenic. Comedogenic products clog your pores and give you breakout, and it is non-comedogenic means it's not gonna block your pores. Give you the sun protection, guys. Sun protection. Invest on a sunblock. You never gonna age. That's the lie, but get a sunblock. Product I get is this baby oil from Johnson's Baby, and it has vitamin E, and I have acne scars on my face, and vitamin E is really good for fading them, and it has multi-purpose oil. You can remove like makeup with this oil. You can put it on your face, you can put it on your body, and it is really good product, and it is very affordable. It wasn't on sale, but it is very affordable. It was just for 52 rupees, and it lasts like expiry date is 8/22, so you must buy this. And this is 50 ml product for 52 rupees, like, so 1 rupees for 1 ml kind of approximately, and I think you should buy this. The product is really interesting. It is also part of skincare, but it is a kind of roller, so I have never used it before, but I really want to give a try. So I get this Derma roller, and it was on sale. It retails for 500 rupees, and I got it for 250 rupees, and let me show you. Opens like this, and it comes in this box. You open like this, and it is the thing. These are the needles. I want to use it for like a decent time, and I'm gonna share its review, demonstration, whatever you guys ask for. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I am done with the skincare products, and let's move on to makeup that we do for looking beautiful. How I'm looking today, let me know in the comment box. And do you like my top and my makeup? First product in makeup category is this Blueheaven Elegance Matte Lip Color in the shade 1, and it has 6 ml product, and the packaging is decent. It is a nice packaging. I'm surprised to see this product from Blueheaven. It is like given really good product, and it just retails for 105 rupees, and I got it for something 87 rupees. And trust me guys, you should give this a shot. It is really a good product, and formula is really good, and you don't even need a lip balm. I have used a lot of liquid lipstick and they make your lips dry, but this doesn't. Seriously, this doesn't make your lips dry, and in 1 or 2 strokes it gives you the opaque lips. Opaque means it covers your lips, giving the full coverage, and it is a good product, and it feels very light on your lips. Like seriously, it feels lighter than your lip balm. Like another shade in the same range, and it is in the shade 11, and it also retails for 105 rupees, and it also has same qualities as the before one, but according to shade I like this one more, because trust me guys, I have used a lot of red lips, but it never suits my skin, and I don't know, I used to felt like red lips, like red color, red lipstick is not for me, but when I get this, I feel like this is for me and I am for this. So it is, I love this shade. It is also a good shade if you are looking for daily basis, and if you want hand swatch and lip swatches of this, then I will link the video in the description box. I have made a separate video using hand swatches and lip swatches of this, so go and watch that video. Another product I get from sale is this Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara, and I have always been using the Lash Sensation from Maybelline collection, but for a change I want to try this and what kind of mascaras are like from Maybelline. And I get this, it is waterproof and it is a decent mascara, okay, it is not bad, but if I compare to the Lash Sensational, I would go for that, and I would recommend a Lash Sensational, but it does a pretty good job, like it is not bad product. I have last 2 products, and they are the star products of my haul, and the first product is the Swiss Beauty, and guys, it looks so luxurious, and when I'm gonna tell you the price of this, you're gonna get surprised, because literally like it just retail for 199 rupees, and it looks so luxurious, and it doesn't look only, it does the luxurious product job, and it looks, the packaging look like some high-end product, and like I have seen this kinds in Huda Beauty, and this is really good product. It is in the shade Rose Gold Retro, and it has many other shade too. I have seen this in Champion and I guess this silver color, but I want to get this, and I'm gonna soon create like a look using this product. And let me open this. It comes with this band, okay, and you have to apply this on your lids, especially if you are a beginner, then you don't know the blending and all process, so just get this product and you are done. You just have to apply 2 coats for good coverage, and I got this product for just rupees 159 on sale, and 199 is also, I guess, worth the price. The star product of my haul is this Maybelline Masterchrome highlighter, and this is in the shade Molten Gold, and I was seeing this product since a while, and I never got this product before because it retails for 555 rupees, and I think paying for a highlighter so much of money doesn't worth that, and it was the correct time. I got this product on sale for 358 rupees, and guys, it's really a good product. I'm gonna show you. This is how it looks. This is a metallic highlighter and I really love it. I don't think if you are a beginner or if you are a college student then you should get a highlighter because you don't need one. But if you are into photography, if you are into nightlife, you like love going parties and all, and if you love a highlighter then you should get your hands on this, and it is the best product and I love this a lot. I love this a lot and I'm really looking forward to use this a lot. And last product I got from Nykaa sale is this hair styling appliance, and this is from Bronson Professional. It is a curler and I have pretty straight hair, so some days I love to curl my hair, and so I get this product, and this was also on sale somewhere around 1100 I got this product for, and it is a good product. I have tried it like 1-2 times and it gives you the best curls ever, I guess. And it has this wand and it is like it gives you that most tiniest curls. Like I love that वो noodles वाला curls जो होता है. Yeah, I love that curl, and it is like this. It has a plug and it really got this long wire, and see this is how it looks. It has buttons to set the temperature, and it is this moves for your comfort. I'm soon gonna do a demo and detailed review on this product, that how I feel about this, and I'm gonna show you on camera that how to curl the hair and how does it look. So guys, that was it for today's video, and these were all the products that I got from Nykaa Pink Friday sale haul. And now I'm gonna tell you those products you should buy and whether it is like on discount or not. Mainly you should get it on discount. Like I guess there will be a discount on this Christmas or like end of season sale, something like that. So the most recommended product by me is these lipsticks. They are very affordable, guys. Get this for yourself. And this lip balm, it's just for 40 rupees, guys. Get your hands on this. And if you want to get more, buy this. These are the products like I would highly recommend you to get for yourself, and let me know in the comment box if you get these products and how do you feel about this. Guys, that's it for the video. If you like the video, then give a big thumbs up, and if you're watching this channel for the first time, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and see you in the next video. Till then,